I'm Michelle Pastel of Corning Incorporated, where I'm the Senior Manager of Manufacturing 4.0. I've been championing smart manufacturing since 2015, and today I lead projects for our formal Manufacturing 4.0 program. As you all know, being a part of SESME, smart manufacturing requires big changes, and those big changes happen in small installments. So let's take a closer look at that. Smart manufacturing is a big change for all. It requires us to change the way we work, the way we think about what a solution looks like, and it requires a culture change. Since it's so much change, it requires all disciplines to be included, involved, and integrated. In order to have a positive impact and value for manufacturing, smart manufacturing cannot attempt to change everything at once. It needs to be managed change. It requires bold managed change to occur through installments, those installments that include everyone and involve all of us. So let's take a look at what we've learned at Corning about what our smart manufacturing installation checklist includes in order to maximize that value and impact. We utilize a cross-organizational team that represents each of the disciplines in the company to define our smart manufacturing journey. It requires us to provide a collective vision to rally all disciplines to contribute. No one person knows every aspect of smart manufacturing, and together we define that vision that includes everyone that's necessary to make the change and benefit from the change. We leverage a smart manufacturing framework so that we all have a common language that we can communicate with each other, and a roadmap to provide coordination for all to arrive at the milestones together. We've also found it's important to engage early adopters to drive down the risk and demo value through proof of value projects. There will be challenges, and where there's a will, there's a way. And as we drive down those challenges and overcome the risk, it's important to systematize the outcomes, to focus on reusable components that are sustainable in order to accomplish lower cost. Gone are the days of point solutions. We have to focus on our investments that can have an impact not only today, but continue to contribute long-term in other adjacent areas too. And then we extend these learnings through a playbook that allows others to learn from the challenges that we've overcome, the common ways to accomplish the outcomes, and we communicate those in communities of practice. And like everything else, leadership drives the change and the pace through their expectations, the resources they provide, and ongoing reinforcing communications. Having a unified communication foundation helps all of us contribute to the journey that smart manufacturing involves. And when everyone's contributing, big